Today we're going to learn how to make frozen chocolate cheesecake bites. The ingredients for these bites are 250 grams or half a pound of cream cheese, hopefully you've made it yourself, 1/3 cup of caster sugar, 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of honey, and some vegetable oil spray. So add the cream cheese to a mixing bowl. We left the cream cheese out on the side, the kitchen bench, for about 30 minutes to soften. And then we add in the caster sugar. And we add in the Greek yogurt. Just spoon that in, try to get the most of it out with a spatula. And then we're going to use a little mixer, hand mixer, or you can use any sort of mixer, and mix it well until it's all combined. This is your cheesecake mixture. And then you can put your cheesecake mixture aside. So in a separate bowl, we're going to make the chocolate mixture. To make the chocolate mixture, you simply add the cocoa powder, and then add in the 2 tablespoons of honey. Now you may have to soften this in the microwave to make it a little bit more fluid, but this is not too bad. And then we're going to add the coconut oil. Now I melted this in the microwave first, so it's not solid, makes it mix a lot easier. So now we're going to mix well until combined. Now this may take a little bit of time because the honey tends to sink to the bottom and not combine well into the other ingredients. So just set that aside. So lightly spray a chilled mould with oil. We had this in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Then add a teaspoon of the chocolate mixture to each of the holes or cavities of the mould. Now you can use a fancy ice tray if you have one. We just had this lying around from soap making. We sell it on our store at littlegreenworkshops.com.au. Now swirl the mould to coat the sides of the holes. Just adds a little bit of chocolate up the sides. Now it should go firm fairly quickly as the coconut oil in the mixture is starting to harden. Make sure it's all flat again from the swirling. Now to each hole we're going to fill it with the cheesecake mixture. So we're going to put that almost to the top. Don't fill it to the tippy top because we're going to add another layer of chocolate on top. So gently fill each hole. As you can see, it's probably taking about 2 tablespoons per cavity there. There we go. So now just drizzle a bit of the chocolate over the top of each bite. Now once they're turned out of the mold, this becomes the bottom. So about 2 teaspoons, and just flatten that over so you can't see any more of the cheesecake part of it. Trying not to make a mess, of course. There we go. Now, if you've got any left over, you can use another ice tray to make some more. Now freeze that for 3 hours. So after the 3 hours, you just turn them out and they look absolutely amazing. Not only do they look amazing, they taste amazing as well. We're going to make some more this weekend. Well, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and we will see you next time.